In today's digital age, e-commerce has exploded, offering incredible opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. But the thought of sourcing products, managing inventory, and handling shipping can feel overwhelming, right? That's where the magic of dropshipping comes in, and today, we're diving deep into how you can launch your very own dropshipping empire using the powerful combination of Shopify and Oberlo. Now, you might be thinking, Shopify? Oberlo? What are those even? Don't worry, we'll break it all down. Think of Shopify as your stunning online storefront, the place where customers will browse your amazing products and hit that buy button. It's a user-friendly platform that takes the headache out of building and managing an e-commerce website. And Oberlo? Well, Oberlo is like your secret weapon for finding those amazing products to sell. It seamlessly connects your Shopify store with millions of products from suppliers around the globe. The best part? You don't have to buy any inventory up front. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Oberlo automatically forwards that order to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to your customer. No warehouses, no packing peanuts, no stress. So, are you ready to ditch the traditional retail model and unlock the potential of dropshipping? Let's get started and build your very own Shopify store powered by Oberlo. Step by step. Step 1. Setting up your Shopify store. First things first, you'll need a Shopify account. Head over to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. This will give you some time to explore the platform and get your store looking just the way you want it before committing to a paid plan. Once you've signed up, you'll be guided through the initial setup process. This involves choosing a name for your store, something catchy and relevant to the niche you're interested in. Think about your target audience and what kind of products they'd be searching for. Next, you'll get to explore Shopify's impressive theme store. Themes are pre-designed templates that determine the look and feel of your online store. There are both free and paid options available, so take your time to browse and find one that resonates with your brand and the products you plan to sell. Don't worry too much about perfection at this stage. You can always customize your theme later. Once you've selected a theme, it's time to personalize it. Shopify's intuitive interface allows you to easily customize elements like your logo, colors, fonts, and homepage layout. Make sure your store looks professional and inviting. This is your digital storefront. After all, Step 2. Installing the Oberlo app. Now that your Shopify store is taking shape, it's time to integrate the magic of Oberlo. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Oberlo. Click on the Oberlo app and then click Add App. You'll be asked to authorize Oberlo to connect with your Shopify store. Go ahead and click Install App. Once installed, Oberlo will appear in the Apps section of your Shopify admin panel. Click on it to access the Oberlo dashboard. Step 3. Finding your winning products. This is where the fun begins. The Oberlo dashboard gives you access to a vast marketplace of products from various suppliers. You can browse by categories, trending products, or even search for specific keywords related to your niche. When browsing products, pay attention to a few key factors. Product quality. While you won't be physically handling the products, look for suppliers with good ratings and reviews. Check the product descriptions and images carefully to ensure they look professional. Shipping costs and times. Consider where your target audience is located and look for suppliers who offer reasonable shipping costs and delivery times to those regions. Faster shipping can lead to happier customers. Supplier reliability. Look for suppliers with a history of fulfilling orders accurately and efficiently. Check their feedback and any available ratings. Profit margins. Think about the price you can realistically sell the product for and the cost from the supplier. Ensure there's enough margin for you to make a profit after considering any marketing or other expenses. Oberlo makes it easy to import products directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. You can customize the product titles, descriptions, and images before they appear on your website. Take the time to write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of each item. High-quality images are also crucial for attracting customers. Step 4. Setting your prices and shipping rules. Once you've imported your products, you'll need to set your prices. Consider your target audience, your desired profit margins, and what your competitors are charging. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing strategies. You'll also need to configure your shipping settings in Shopify. You can set up different shipping zones and rates based on location. Consider offering free shipping on orders over a certain amount to incentivize purchases. Step 5. Marketing your store. Having a beautiful store with great products is only half the battle. You need to get the word out and drive traffic to your website. There are numerous marketing strategies you can employ, including social media marketing. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase your products and connect with your target audience. Paid advertising. Consider running targeted ads on social media or search engines to reach potential customers. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters and promotional offers to keep your audience engaged. Search engine optimization. SEO. Optimize your product pages and website content to rank higher in search engine results. Step 6. Fulfilling orders and providing customer support. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Oberlo will automatically notify your chosen supplier. You simply need to click a button in Oberlo to fulfill the order, and the supplier will handle the shipping directly to your customer. Providing excellent customer support is crucial for building trust and encouraging repeat business. Be responsive to customer inquiries, handle any issues promptly and professionally, and strive to create a positive shopping experience. Step 7. Analyzing and optimizing. Once your store is up and running, it's important to track your performance. Shopify provides analytics that allow you to see which products are selling well, where your traffic is coming from, and other key metrics. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and optimize your store and marketing efforts accordingly. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep learning, experimenting, and adapting your strategies. The beauty of dropshipping is its flexibility and low barrier to entry, allowing you to test different niches and products without significant upfront investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.